Hello students, I am Professor B.C. A.K. from Computer Department of Sau Sundarabai Manik Adsur Polytechnic, SAS Ahmednagar. In today's lecture, we will going to see the second practical of your course Computer Graphics. The second practical is program to draw line using DDA algorithm. DDA line drawing algorithm is a very simple algorithm to draw a line. Practical significance for this practical is in computer graphics, a digital differential analyzer, that is DDA, is used for interpolation of variables over an interval between start and end points. DDAs are used for rasterization of lines, triangles, and polygons. In this algorithm, simply you have to enter the start point of your line segment and end point of your line segment. After studying this practical, you will become able to write syntax for graphics functions, write and save a simple C program, set up graphics drives, graphics modes, and directory to run graphics programs, compile the C program using Turbo C, debug and execute the program. Course outcome for this practical is implement standard algorithm to draw various graphics objects using C program. This is your course outcome. Now we will see the program to draw a line using DDA algorithm. Let's begin with header files, that is #include stdio.h, #include conio.h, #include graphics.h. This file is mandatory, this header file is mandatory to run all the graphics programs. Then find main function, in that variable declaration x1, y1. This x1, y1 variable is for providing the starting coordinates of your line segment. X2, y2 variable is for providing end coordinates of line segment. Then dx equal to x2 minus x1, dy equal to y2 minus y1. Then float x comma y, x increment and y increment. In gd equal to detect comma gm. In init graph function, we have to provide a path for BGI folder. Here I am providing path of BGI folder. Then I am providing a message, that is enter the starting coordinate of line segment. Then here I am accepting the values from user. Start coordinates are for accepted by x1 and y1 coordinates. Then I am giving the message, that is enter ending coordinates, and the values are accepted from x2 and y2 variable. Then dx equal to x2 minus x1, dy equal to y2 minus y1. If absolute of dx is greater than absolute of dy, then length equal to absolute of dx, else length equal to absolute of dy. Now x increment equal to dx upon float length and y increment equal to dy upon float length. Now our x becomes x1 and y becomes y1. Next, put pixel x comma y, and I am providing color for that pixel. Start pixel is yellow. For I equal to 0, I is less than length I plus plus, x equal to x plus x increment, y equal to y plus y increment. Put pixel x comma y and providing the color that is yellow, delete 10, get ch and close graph function. Enter the starting coordinates of line. That means we have to provide the coordinates of x1 and y1. So for x1 I am providing value 50 and for y1 I am providing value 100. Now we have to enter the end coordinates of line. For x2 I am providing 250 and for y2 I am providing, for example, 270. So in this way the line will appear in output screen. By changing the start coordinates and end coordinates of line segment, you can change the shape of line. In this way, we have successfully completed our second practical